In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use in this phone. So the first one will be also the longest one, and we will open project menu via this code, and it is as follows. So *pound 2846579 #. And here we've got the project menu, and it will allow you to open background settings, variant information, network information query, software upgrade, restore factory, and battery charge. So all you need to do is to pick this particular option that you would like to enter. It can be, for example, background settings. And once you want to change the setup for your USB port, just mark it. And here, smoothly by tapping, you can change the setup. Tap on close then. It's the same with AP lock and so on. You can also perform a factory reset here, so once you want to remove all data and somehow you cannot do it via settings or via recovery mode, it's also the perfect method to perform this action. So this is it. You can also check the battery charge here. Also, you can scan this QR code to check some further details. And okay, this is it. Another code that you can use here will all open about phone panel, and it is *pound 0000, so 4 O's, pound *. And here we've got about phone panel where you can check model, build number, hardware version, email numbers, and some more info like MSPL version, MLP version, and also ICCID number. So let's go back. Another code, it's very useful. I really like this code. It will show you all events, all celebrations that you have included in your calendar. So from now on, you will not forget about any important event. To reach this panel, you need to enter *pound 225 pound *. As you can see, I'm not really busy person. However, if you are, you will find everything right here. And the last code that I want to share with you today will open email number and also serial number for your HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and just enter *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, both email numbers and also serial number, they are all unique, are right in front of you. Tap on OK to close this panel, and that's it. So these are secret codes that you can use in your HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE. Enjoy and use them whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.